Hello, my name's Steve. I'm from the UK. I decided to do this self-empowerment course with Luke and Susana as I've been going through challenges most of my life, and I wanted to get clarity. I was stuck, and I came to a seminar 2 years ago, and then I thought about it recently, and I reconnected with Luke and went on their website, saw that the course was going to give me that clarity, and it has. I found out a lot about myself, and I've gained tools to move my life forward, to grow, to believe in myself, and it's been absolutely amazing, more than I could have imagined. And now I have the confidence to build my inner foundation and take every day as it comes and move forward with my life. So thank you very much, Luke and Susana. This is the start of a great journey. I recommend it to everybody. Thank you.